Vicky, is that a Tramp stamp?
Oh, no, it's not a Tramp stamp. It's my Trampolines.com stamp. We love our Inground Trampoline from Trampolines.com so much that we're getting rid of that old Tramp. Oh, no, not my mother-in-law. That old above-ground Tramp. We had to move it to mow. Plus, we went for the cheap option. And did you know they can blow away in the wind?
Okay, I get it. With the in-ground trampolines from trampolines.com, they look better, they're safer, and they're weather resistant. But was it hard to install?
Oh, not at all. Trampolines.com hooked me up with a local installer. His name is Ronald. Between you and me, it's totally doable, but don't tell my husband that. And you should see the kids' screen time. Parents all over the country are raving about Trampolines.com. You can even get lights and change them with the click of a button so the kids can jump at night. Thanks, Trampolines.com. Get your in-ground trampoline from Trampolines.com today.